Hey guys, so I'm going to be creating a deer makeup look using my Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette. So let's get started. Starting off by priming my eyes using my About Face primer. Now I'm starting off by applying a foundational base shade of Enigma all over the eyes. Next, I'm going in with Cult Classic and concentrating that on the outer edges, creating a smoked out effect. Now I'm going in with a mixture of Baby Doll and I Dig It, which are two shimmery champagne shades, and just using that to highlight the inner thirds of the eyes. Okay, so now I'm taking an angle brush, going in with Drama Mama and drawing extended wings. I think this helps me when I layer trace over them with a liquid liner. Okay, so now I'm taking my Bare Minerals highlighter / bronzer and applying this all over my face. I think this helps give me that deer / Bambi complexion. Okay, so now I'm taking Cult Classic and applying that to the lower lash line to create more congruency and a softer definition. Okay, so now's the fun part. You essentially want to start contouring your face to create that deer nose feature. So I started off with Quarry Days, which was a lighter brown because I didn't want to choose something too dark, and then you also want to blend it out so that it looks more seamless. Okay, now I'm going in with Drama Mama and I am going to be sketching out the cute little button deer nose. So here goes. I'm not an artist by any means. Okay, so I'm also going to take my brush and go in with Dreamful and just create white dots all over the face. Okay, so I also took a brown lip liner and lined my upper lip as well. I also applied the lipstick color of Horchata, my Urban Decay Vice lipstick. I thought it went really well with this look. Okay, I also took my Ofra highlighter and I used it to highlight my nose as well as my inner corners of the eyes and the brow bone. It really makes everything pop. So here I am also taking my liquid liner and drawing an extended wing. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler. And then I'm going to apply Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. Be right back. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and reapply some bronzer highlighter, my Bare Minerals, all over the face. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my Stone Cold Fox palette and going to continue applying some more deer freckles or spots. I'm going to apply them in different sizes. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love this look. I think it's so cute. It's quite easy and it's a good last minute Halloween costume idea if you're struggling. And yeah, I like it. And okay, I gotta say, this palette is so good. If you are on the fence or if you're trying to find your next best palette, I definitely recommend this one. The colors are so pigmented, and if you watch my other videos, I always go back to it to create Halloween looks just because it just has such a good mix of smoky eyeshadow shades and everything's really pigmented and shimmery. Yeah, highly recommend. Okay, ignore the fact that I'm wearing this headband. It was the only thing I had that's like deer-like, and it is Christmas. But I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween, and I want to see if you try out this look.